Hey, this is Brian. Thanks for watching Kies Motorsports. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com. So today, we're going to show you how to change your wiper blades on a BMW F30. Now, this typically would be a very easy problem. However, BMW decided to design these in a way where if you try to lift up your wiper arm, it's going to hit your hood. Now, on my blue hood, before I went to the carbon, it's actually missing paint from the previous owner because he didn't know how to correctly do this. So today we're going to show you the correct process. So here's the process. It's super simple. All you want to do, press the start-stop button just one time. Then turn it off. Take your turn signal lever, press it all the way up, and just hold it there for a couple seconds. Your wipers are going to make a pass, and then they're going to make another pass, and they're going to stop. Now what we can do is we can remove the old wiper blades and install the new ones. So with the new ones, it comes in a pack of 2, and as you'll see, one is shorter than the other. The short one goes on your passenger side, long one goes on your driver's side. Basically what we're going to do is it's going to be positioned somewhat like this, and there are these little tabs that you're going to press in, and then you're going to rock it forward. So let's do that. So just press down here from either side, rock it up, and then slide it off just like that. Now, one thing that I do want to mention that is extremely important is these are spring-loaded, and this is bare metal. If you go past a certain point, this will slam into your windshield and will cause a bad day. And then what you're going to do is take your new one, and there's going to be a little hole right there. You put this little notch in this little hole, just like that. You rock it down, and then those will clip right into place like that. Then do the same to the other side. So just press in those tabs, lift it up, put them in a safe place. Let's get this, lock and load. All right, at this point, do the same process we did to get the wipers in this position. So press your start-stop button, press it again, and then lift up and hold on the windshield wiper lever. It's going to gently move itself down. Time for some EBR, epic B-roll. And that is how quick and easy it is to change your wiper blades on your F30, your F80, your F32, and many other F-Series BMWs. The blades we use today, big thanks to FCP Euro for sending them to us. It's 61612-241-375, and we'll have a direct link in the description. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks so much for watching Kies Motorsports. Give us a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, hit the bell notification, and check us out at KiesMotorsports.com for all your BMW retrofit, performance, and aesthetic needs. Once again, my name is Brian. Thanks so much for watching, and have a great day.